Hi, good evening, everyone. So, beta, today we want to go ahead and I want to discuss what are the most important Indian economy topics that will come short in your IIT JAM economics exam. Okay. एकदम 150% these would be asked in your IIT JAM economics exam. Number one, you need to do 5-year plans very well. You need to know everything about the 5-year plan. Okay. Just for example, if I go ahead and there is also a video that I have made, which I am going to go ahead and I will be linking it in this video lecture only. I will go ahead and just provide you the link of the same. You can also search by the name 5-year plan Artha Point and you will get that video. So 5-year plan is one of the most important topic from the point of view of your IIT JAM economics paper. ठीक है? इस 5-year plan में आपको क्या क्या है जो पक्का से करना ही करना है. So you need to do first of all the agenda of each 5-year plan. What was the what was the 5-year plan about? So for example, if I go ahead and I tell you something like this example, if I tell you that which is the 5-year plan which introduced green revolution, you should be able to tell me that. Which is the 5-year plan which is based on Harrod-Doman model? आप ये बता पाओ. Which is the 5-year plan which is based on the model of Soviet Union? Which 5-year plan gave most importance to the agricultural sector? Which 5-year plan talked about inclusive growth? I'm just framing these questions. ऐसा कुछ. तो हर 5-year plan का हर चीज पता होना आपको जरूरी है. You need to go ahead and you need to do that well. So if I have made this video, again I am going ahead and telling the name of the video is most asked 5-year plan MCQs. This is going to be a helpful video. आप इस वीडियो को भी रेफर कर सकते हो. That's the first thing. Right, beta? Okay. Now let's come to the second topic. The second thing that you have to prepare, that is the 1991 new economic policy. Okay. In this new economic policy, what you have to study? You have to study about liberalization, privatization and globalization. आपको इन तीनों ही चीजों के बारे में पढ़ना होगा. LPG policies के बारे में. You have to go ahead and study them in detail. For example, if I ask you how many companies or enterprises which were public became private. If I ask you what is the criteria for a public sector company, you should be aware about that. So इससे related कुछ भी, what policies were introduced under the new economic policy, what is LPG policies, you need to be well aware about liberalization, privatization and globalization, also called as the new economic policy. ठीक है? Next, what you need to go ahead and what you need to do, third thing, you need to go ahead and you need to do questions which are based on economic, budget and survey. I will be taking one lecture very soon, बहुत जल्दी, actually 2 lectures I will be taking very soon. One lecture will be on the latest economic budget and the MCQs related to it. And one lecture will be on the economic survey and the MCQs related to it. So I will be going ahead and taking MCQs on economic budget and economic survey very soon. And you need to go ahead and you need to prepare yourself for this part also. इसको आपको अच्छे से you need to go ahead and you need to do this part. ठीक है? Okay. Bit of problem part number 4. There will be MCQs which can come on the concept of drain of wealth and national income. Just if I ask you that who was the person to introduce or to calculate national income in India for first time? Okay. Then if I ask you what actually is the concept of drain of wealth? Right? If I ask you which book mentioned this concept? ऐसे questions, huh? Everything related to drain of wealth, that can be also asked in your exam and you have to prepare yourself for this also. Okay, beta, 5th part. You need to also prepare yourself for some questions which are related to your employment, oblique unemployment, oblique labor market. This is not completely your इंडियन इकोनॉमी पार्ट, बट जनरली अगर मैं आपको लेबर मार्केट से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन दे दूं, आई आस्क यू फाइंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, फाइंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, इफ आई आस्क यू टू फाइंड सर्टेन रेट, यू शुड बी एबल टू गो अहेड एंड डू दैट ऑल्सो. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. 6th बेटा, very soon I will be starting up with one more series which will be talking about different definitions of economics. ठीक है? You can go through that series. वो series काफी useful होने वाली है और वहीं से there will be questions like what is CRR, what is SLR, ठीक है? And currently इनका क्या rate चल रहा है? What is the repo rate? What is the reverse repo rate? What is the discount rate? हाँ, ये rates के ऊपर भी there can be a question. Number 7 बेटा. There will be one question for sure which is going to be on FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Budgetary Monetary Act. ठीक है, बेसिकली कुछ फिजिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से रिलेटेड आएगा. सो दे कैन आस्क यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिजिकल डेफिसिट, राइट, प्राइमरी डेफिसिट एक्सेट्रा, या तो टाइप ऑफ डेफिसिट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, or on this act they can ask you a question, or on the latest number ki currently what is the fiscal deficit GDP ratio, primary deficit GDP ratio. On that there can be a question. Okay, part number 8 beta. One fixed type of question which can be asked is Guinea's coefficient. I have done again, if you look at my YouTube channel only, you will find multiple MCQ question. पूरा मैंने एक session लिया हुआ है which only talks about the Gini coefficient. So again, all you have to do is just type Gini coefficient Artha point. ऐसे करके search कर लो. You will go ahead and you will find a video. Gini coefficient Artha point करोगे तो एक video आएगा. That video is basically, it has all MCQs. ठीक है, एक 30 minutes का video session लिया था by the name of Gini coefficient Artha point. Just Google it, beta. Google करोगे तो you will get the first video only. That's a 30-minute video lecture. और इसमें all possible questions on Lorentz curve, on Gini coefficient. Beta, I have covered all of those and you can go ahead and do those. Number 9. There will be question on Human Development Index. Just yesterday, I have posted a video जो बात करता है traditional versus new Human Development Index and इसका formula difference पे भी and how to calculate it. So there can be a question on Human Development Index. And last topic, beta. There can be a question on Sustainable Development Goals and Millennium Development Goals. Again, just 3-4 days back on YouTube also, I have posted this video lecture on SDGs and MDGs. You can again search this video lecture, and this is also important from the point of view of exam. So these are some of the important topics from the point of view of your Indian economy for IIT JAM Economics paper 2020. I wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. And as you know, the students who are with me, we are going to have our test series from 16th August to 19th August. है ना? हम full syllabus Indian Eco का test series run कर रहे हैं. So we are running a full syllabus Indian Eco test series, and I want you to go ahead and do well in this test series also. Okay, beta. I wish you all the very best for your exam. Thank you.